Come up in the ghetto, life did tough, my brother. Mama said pray about the faith no matter the weather. We never have much, but we find our way. Food for the pot, hustle every day. The streets get wild when the sun go down, but we have to stay firm now, make we spirit strong. With the strength of a lion and a heart of gold. No matter where you come from, keep your dreams bold. You get back the effort you put in, my youth. Rise from the ground, plant your roots. If you work hard, the blessings have to come true. Jamaica make me strong now, me shining bright too. You get back the effort you put in, me say. Keep your head high, now go astray. Jah guide the way, make it brighter every day. Effort you put in, you know it will pay. Enough time me have to walk to school through the rain, but me vision clear, so me never complain. Me know I said the struggle would have shaped my mind. Teach me to be humble, make my soul shine. Yes, when my belly empty, still give thanks. Never let the system put me in a trance. Granny said keep the fire burning high. One day you're gonna see the tables turning bright. You get back the effort you put in, my youth. Rise from the ground, plant your roots. If you work hard, the blessings have to come true. Jamaica make me strong now, me shining bright too. You get back the effort you put in, me say. Keep your head high, now go astray. Jah guide the way, make it brighter every day. Effort you put in, you know it will pay. Now me look back on the journey me overcome. All the trials and the struggles when me rise up from. Tears when me cry turn to diamonds bright. Now me bless and me give thanks every night. For the lessons me learn and the battles we fight. Never stop until we see victory light. Jamaica race me strong, no make my heart weak. Now me reach the peak, me have to shout and speak. You get back the effort you put in, my youth. Rise from the ground, plant your roots. If you work hard, the blessings have to come true. Jamaica make me strong now, me shining bright too. You get back the effort you put in, me say. Keep your head high, now go astray. Jah guide the way, make it brighter every day. Effort you put in, you know it will pay. Never give up, nah lose sight. Jamaican spirit strong, keep the fire bright. Work for your dreams, ignore the hate. Effort you put in, that will seal your fate. Jah bless the path where you trod, my friend. Stay true to yourself and you win in the end. You get back the effort you put in. The journey long, but you're destined to